Hey everyone! While Charlie is still busy setting up the obstacle course, I will tell you what we are going to do in this video. Today, we're putting the Xiaomi Robotvacuum 5 to the test. The navigation on this device is great. Thanks to its LiDAR system, this robot can map out a room incredibly fast and efficiently. And it navigates the space in a very smooth and logical pattern during its cleaning runs. However, I did notice something important that you can see right here. This robot is extremely cautious. Just like the Xiaomi S40 Pro, it refuses to go under my chairs with angled legs, even though it clearly fits. But what's even more surprising is that it also avoids my stool with straight legs. That's a bit of a letdown, as it leaves those areas untouched. That is something the Xiaomi S40 Pro does clean. On the bright side, it handles my coffee table perfectly, as you might have seen in the coffee table battle. When it comes to smaller obstacles, it performs really well. It carefully navigates around a sock, and as you could not see in my latest short, but here is the conclusion, it even detects the tiny dinosaur and the toy dog. They survived. It also spots the thicker power strip cable in time and avoids climbing over it. But it's not perfect. While it sees the thick cables, it unfortunately eats the thin phone charging cable. So the AI is good, but it has its limits. All in all, I'm positively surprised by the obstacle avoidance skills of the Xiaomi Robotvacuum 5. Just a heads up, make sure to clear your charging cables and keep in mind that it might avoid narrow furniture even if it actually fits underneath. If this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are so close to 50 subs. See you in the next one. Peace out.